how to lock cell reference in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to lock cell reference in your Excel. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file. And then now I want to multiply all of this value here with this tax rate. So I'll put in equals and then I'll choose the value. I'll put in the multiply sign and then tap on this E2 cell and then hit enter. Now I'll put this into percentage and then I will drag it down. So there you can see that I'm getting 0% because you can see that the second value, that the E2 is changing in every cell. So I want to lock it. So to lock it, what I'll need to do is I'll need to go to the E2 and then put in dollar sign like this. So before and between, and then hit enter, and then now drag it down. So now you can see that the E2 value has been locked in every cell. So you just need to put in the dollar signs. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.